Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I have a birthday box, which I was doing a video and I forgot to hit record. This is part of my birthday box from Sabrina. This is so cool. I made it in this mat. I was telling her I wanted one. She goes to the bins and she sees them. She told me all the time, and not even like a day later, she's at the bins and boom, there one was. And you hold your brushes, you can put paint, the water cup, that goes down. So it's so cool. I mainly wanted it just for the surface. So she got me that. And she picked another one of these up for me, for my grandchildren. Then she got these. She went to some lady's stash, and she knows I'm going to be working on Riley's baby coming up, and it's a baby girl. And this one, it says baby boy on it, baby boy, but I think it could be either or. It's pretty unisex to me. So even if like the balloons, sweet baby, hello baby, it could be yours. So thank you, Sabrina, for them. Now she sent me some napkins. We got curls. I think she showed these on Christmas. And some more Halloween. And then the ghost jack-o'-lantern and cat. And then Christmas tree ornaments. And then Christmas trees. So I'm set for napkins for a while. So cool. Because it's the one thing I don't have. Sabrina sent me the last bunch. So that's cool. So I put them together. And then she told me this is like the mixed media box. So look at that. She sent me this. And it's got this texture. And that's going to look so good on a jelly print, I tell you. It's almost like bubble wrap. But you don't have to pop them. That's going to be so cool to use. And then she sent these, picked these up because they have this little pattern. So I can press it and make those little patterns on a jelly print. And then this one. That's really cool. Make that on a jelly print. And this as well. Boom, you press it down. Look at that. You can do it both ways. It's really good. And then this. Look at this cool cookie cutter. You got the little gingerbread guy, a flower, a stuffed animal, a heart, a circle, a flower, and a star. Thing is when you're jelly printing, you just tap all over. It'll just make a cool design. And she got these for Coda Bear. They are, I don't know what they call them, but they're $4.90 and you put them on your chalks, or your Crocs, sorry, chalks. But Coda, I came across this thing I had, and he puts them on this like thing I had, and it had holes in, and you could pop them in. So it's pretty cool. He's got it hanging in his room. He'll like this Fortnite ones. Thank you, Sabrina. He'll love them. Oh, did I show this? Okay, a couple weeks ago, I asked Sabrina. She was showing me these, and I got 2 from her. And I'm like, we were talking, I said I should have got 3 right away because guess what? Yep, as soon as 2 had them, the third one won them. So she sent me another one. I got, let's see, I got a frog. Oh, and a little Pooh Bear one. They are addicting because me and Scott have played them. So that's cool. Now I got 3, so there's no more fighting over that. Not that we're fighting, but yeah. And also these for jelly printing to make this cool design. This will be so cool. Then this is so cool. I don't know where she found these, but look at Bob Ross socks. I love Bob Ross, and look at how this sock is. It's got his furry hair. There's two bear in here. It's so cool how they did his hair. I don't know where she found them. Probably Dollar Tree, I betcha. But this is so cool that they got his hair furry. I love them. Thank you, thank you. And she has asked me if I wanted any Velcro dots. So it's a whole bunch of Velcro dots, which I don't have. Matter of fact, I was doing something. I thought, man, I wish I had those Velcro dots. Now I don't remember what I was doing. So then they're cool. And then this thing. And she showed this on her channel. I even asked her because I goofed up on the video and I quit playing it. And I was telling her, I was like, thank you, I love this stuff. But that bucket's I'm gonna need to find because it's confusing as hell how you would do this. So you got a handle. And then you take this and you're able to close it real tight, I think somehow. But when you open it, you got this flat tray on this side, and then you got this silicone. You can put your paint in here, I believe. Press that back down. You're supposed to be able, maybe I got these locks because they came off earlier on me. Maybe I got them wrong. I'll have to check. But over here, you got this tray. This opens. So I'm curious if you're supposed to be able to, the tray can't go in there, so it stays on the bottom. It's very confusing, actually. It's kind of cool, though. That's a lot of water. But then you just press it back all down. Like so. Line up the holes. So there are holes right there. But that's what's confusing. It's these holes. It's like, you know. Oops. I don't. But it's cool either way. It's pretty nifty. I'll have to work on that. But guess what? She did me the St. Patty's pen. She sent me extra ink because one of my pens I bought from her, the ink didn't work. But it's got the St. Patty's hat up here, the beads, and she's got an extra clover in there, a white bead, and a St. Patty truck, and a St. Patty rainbow, and everything is switching around. So cool. And I believe I got everything. Thank you, Jamie, Zach, Sabrina, for the birthday box. You didn't have to. Plus, she got me these, which I showed the other day on a live when I was doing, but I'll show them with this video as well. They are these envelopes, and I've been putting my Delusion stamps in them because some are quit sticking, and we were talking, and she found these on Amazon for me because I was like, she showed me, I saw her have some smaller ones, and I was like, Sabrina, what do they call them? Envelope things. And she found them, and the next thing you know, she informed me I was getting some for my birthday, so she didn't have to. She's very kind. Sabrina's a sweetheart. Her and I can talk and disagree and agree to disagree, and really don't have arguments. We even don't agree on everything, but we still talk. You know, that's the type of friendship. So, her birthday is the 17th. Nah, so, oh, next Monday. Wow, can't believe that. It's like we're in March goal already. Damn. So, everybody next Monday on Mad Mixed Media Monday to wish Sabrina happy. Oh my God, they're magnets in there. That just freaked the hell right out of me. Wow. Wow. That's kind of cool. I don't get why the magnets are in there. I know the package because I opened this on my first video. They are polygons flat blue. So, I don't know. But that's weird. They got magnets on both ends. It's tricky as hell. Huh. This one goes over though. Can't line it up. Well, there we go. Whoop. That's weird. That's interesting. I don't get that. But either way, them are cool. It's going to be cool when you press them on a jelly plate. Me and Sabrina talked about doing some jelly printing in our next live. Not our regular lives that we're doing Mixed Media Monday and Dizzy Delusion Thursday. No, we're talking in between. Oh, did I show these also? Just in case. But you press them down and it just should leave that impression. We'll have to see. But thank you again, Zach, Sabrina, Jamie. I love it, love it. I can't wait to play. I still want to play, but I'm so tired. My cats had me up at 4 o'clock this morning. And then I had the energy of a rabbit all day. Because I got a lot done. I cleaned my bedroom. I dusted my whole bedroom. And I've been staring at these pictures that we usually hang up in our bedroom. They haven't been put up yet. Guess what? I did it today. They're all up. I was done waiting on my husband to do it. So it was so cool. I got pictures hung up today. He's like, well, I don't know where I want to put them. There. I'll point it out. But guess what? He went away. I did it. He came back and he's like, wow, looks nice. Yep. So I want to thank you for tuning in. Thanks again, Sabrina, for the birthday box. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. I can't wait to wear my rubber socks for this sweaty sea hair. I don't know where she found them. They're so cool. Bye, everybody.